Okay. This question deals with combinations. So we're going to pull out the important stuff, and we'll try to make a visual of the relationship that's happening, and then put together some algebra to solve it. So there's 12 questions on an exam. Watch students. I don't know why I put the word watch here. That doesn't make sense. But students must answer 8 questions, including 4 of the first 5. How many combinations? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I put placeholders. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I had to compact it there. Okay, so we have 12 placeholders. And what the questions told us is that the students have to answer a total of 8, and they must answer 4 of the first 5. So in other words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of this section here, 4 of them must get chosen. Which 4, it doesn't really matter, but this is building a combination. So essentially what we're looking for is how many ways can we choose 4 questions out of 5. Once we have that, we know that they've answered 4. And since they have to answer a total of 8, we have our 8 subtract 4. That means they have to answer another 4 questions. Well, how many questions are left on the other side of the test? So we can kind of count that out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 questions left. And again, they need to answer 4 questions. Which 4, it doesn't really matter. But it builds the exact same type of combinations relationship. We're looking for how many ways can we choose 4 questions out of the total of 7 questions here. Okay? So when we do that, we're going to find our 2 combinations. So we have to find the combination of 5 choose 4, which ends up being 5, I think. Let's write it out here. 5 choose 4. Oh, there we go. I have a combination right there. 5 choose 4. Yeah, that's 5. Okay, so write that number in. And sorry, we're multiplying these 2 values. So 5 times, and then 7 choose 4 is 35. Okay, so 5 times 35 gives us 5, carry the 2, 15, 175. So there's 175 in the above situation, but we actually haven't included all situations. They said they must answer 4 of 5, but we actually didn't measure what if they decide to answer 5 of the first 5 questions. So we have to set that relationship up also. So same idea, we'll put our placeholders again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and this time they're going to answer all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're going to answer all 5 of 5. So in other words, they're asking how many ways can you choose 5 questions out of 5? 5 choose 5 is actually just the number 1. Since they've now chosen to answer 5 of the first questions, that's 8 subtract 5 because again they have to answer a total of 8. So there's only 3 more questions they need to answer. Okay. Out of, and we already counted this out, that there are 7 options left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this time they only have to answer 3 of those questions. So what we're looking for is how many ways can we choose 3 out of 7. Okay? And 3 out of 7, let's find it out in our calculator. Is 35. So we're looking at 1 times 35, so that gives us a total of 35. So we have to add the 2 situations together now. So the first situation had a total of 175 options. The second one had a total of 35 options. So we're going to add those 2 values together. And 175, put it down here, 175 plus 35 gives us a total of 200, oh, that's not the right number. 210 should be our answer for the number of options of that.